Hey, welcome to Lunch with Lee. Today we're talking about something that's always an issue, but it came up again, which is you have multiple different estimates to solve one problem. How do I compare them? And that's a huge issue because what you're not just going to get like a bid on the exact same thing. Like you got a Ford car and you get 5 different estimates on that same Ford car. The problem is going to be a lot of times these companies don't even agree on what the problem is. And then if they don't agree with the problem, they're not going to agree on the solution. Some companies are providing kind of a temporary kind of band-aid solution that they present as this is how I'm going to fix it. And it will short term. But why are you fixing? Are you fixing this so that you can live here for a long time? Or are you fixing it so that next year you can fix it again? But a lot of times they don't present it that way. They just present it as this is the solution. It's equivalent to this other solution. So you're going to get like 3 bids. One of them is 8,000. One of them is 7,000. And one of them is 2,000. And they're all going to claim that this is the final solution for all your problems. So how do you know what to do? That's the problem. And what I would encourage you to do is find the person that you think is the absolute best, the most certified, the most knowledgeable, not the person who's the cheapest, not the person and present all the estimates together and have them explain them to you. This one's a lot cheaper. What does it include? What does it not include? We do this for customers for free. If you would like, if we're even not one of the estimates and you would like to go on our virtual platform, upload, do a virtual assessment, upload all your estimates, we'll explain to you kind of what's different about each. A lot of times we need an inspection too, because most chimney companies don't even agree what the actual problem is. Some of them, the problem is you're hiring a company that comes out that does cleanings. They really don't specialize in inspections. We have camera systems that go up that show parts of the inside that need to be repaired. But these other companies don't even know they're there. So when you tell them, hey, there's some problems on the inside, they say, nah, it's not a big deal. And the reason it's not a big deal to them is because they can't see it and they don't know how to fix it. So therefore, it's not a big deal. So if you have any questions about estimates, please go to our platform, schedule a virtual assessment, upload all the estimates, all the inspections. We'll help you walk through it. Just trying to get down to, and if one of ours is not the best, then that's fine. If it's one of my technicians, usually it's me who does these virtual assessments. We can figure out if it's correct, if it's not, if we did our job correctly, if we did not. Most of the time we do. Occasionally, everybody makes mistakes. So please look at your estimates. Don't just assume the cheapest one's the best. Don't just assume the most expensive one's the best. What is the actual problem? What is the permanent solution? Or are you looking for a permanent solution? If you're just looking for a Band-Aid, maybe the Band-Aid's okay. But what we specialize in, yes, we can do Band-Aids, but most of the time it's permanent solutions. Long term. And just because someone tells you, oh, this is a lot cheaper, it's better, that's not always true. Sometimes it is, sometimes it's not. But if you're not sure, schedule a virtual assessment with our website, upload everything, it's free, and you get an opinion. If we're one of the opinions, I'll tell you we're not the best for you at the time. That's just the way it is. But that's it for today. Look at estimates, find the person you trust. Make sure that you know what the actual problem is. Make sure you're not just getting Band-Aids. Make sure you have someone who specializes in actual chimneys. I love roofers. They're great at roofing. We refer them all the time, but they don't specialize in chimneys. Now we're getting heating and air conditioning companies, carpet cleaning companies, all doing chimney cleans, inspections, and doing repairs. What we're starting to see is people who just paint over problems, literally just paint over problems and call it a repair. So make sure you know what you're getting. If you're not sure, do a virtual assessment. Have us do an inspection if you would like another opinion. And once you get those opinions, if you want to check with me, if you want to check with our technicians, we'll be happy. The whole idea is to get you the best solution for what you're dealing with. So that's it for today. I really appreciate it. Please like it, share it. We want to help as many people as possible, and we will see you next time. Thanks.